If you want to unhide photos and videos on POCO F7, first of all, we're gonna go to the gallery. Let's switch to this other tab with albums, and of course we need to swipe down in order to open our private album. Let's unlock it. Now over here, if you want to unhide just a single photo or video, then we can tap on it in order to open it. And then at the bottom, we need to use this icon over here, this square with the arrow. And so let's choose it. And then we need to choose where we want to store it. So in order to move it from the private album, we need to choose the new album. So in this case, we can just simply choose camera. And there we go. We have removed the selected photo, the opened photo from the private album. In case you want to unhide multiple photos and videos, you can simply press and hold your finger on the first item, and then you can select everything that you wish to remove from the private album. And over here at the bottom, as you can see, we have the same button. So you can tap over here, once again choose the album where it should be stored. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.